Let's look at a macchiato. Macchiato roughly translates as mark or spot in Italian, reflecting the stain left by the milk so the barista could quickly distinguish it from an espresso. Here's how to make one. Start by purging your group head and preheating your portafilter. Then remove and dry before grinding. Next, grind your freshly roasted beans. Give the portafilter a few taps like this to settle the grounds and distribute evenly before tamping on a level surface. The most important thing is consistent pressure each time and visually check the tamper is level. Use the razor tool after tamping to ensure you have the correct dose. It precisely controls the height of the tamped coffee, a critical variable. Then place the portafilter firmly into the group head and you're good to go for your extraction. Before you start your shot, make sure you set your cup or glass underneath. Today we're splitting our shot between 2 glasses. Hit the 2-cup button and let the machine work its magic. Espresso should drop from the spouts at around 8 to 10 seconds. What we're looking for is a flow that looks like warm honey and a crema topping a pure black coffee. Next, let's get our milk prepared. Given we only need a small amount of microfoam for this drink, pour around 3.5 fluid ounces or 100 ml of fresh cold milk into the jug and texture it like this. Once done, don't forget to purge the steam wand to clear remaining milk inside the wand and give it a wipe with a nice damp cloth. Finally, using a teaspoon, scoop 2 dashes of textured milk onto your espresso to create your mark and add a touch of sweetness. Enjoy.